Hey, welcome back everybody. Just doing a quick update. I don't have a full video for you this Monday, but just want to catch up. Got the car inside. The back corner of the shop is all torn up, and we've got a little bit of a thing going on, and we'll get into that a little bit later. I do have a video coming out very soon on how to recover a dead battery, bring it back to life. So the battery this is the one that is the one that I put in this car to get it out of the barn. It was a little too short, and this worried me a little bit, having those maybe contact the frame. So I've reconditioned the battery that was in it. I've put it back in. You'll get to see that in a day or so, maybe a week, I don't know, it depends. The coil box project is on hold until I get this situation resolved. And yeah, that's about it. We've got making a new door for the motorhome that I did not film, but it's going to go on there, so hopefully that's not going to leak anymore. And we've got big plans for this corner. We've got big plans for this corner if I can get all the crap out of it. We've got big plans there. And then hopefully we can get back on this. And we're going to do the valves. We're going to adjust the valves. We're going to go over the car. We're going to make sure it's roadworthy again before I venture out in it. Should be. I don't have very many miles on it. And it's done nothing but sit for 10 years, so whatever damages it's going to have is going to be just from sitting. Cracked hoses maybe, I don't know. A little bit of rust. I'm looking for this color in a spray can. I haven't found it yet because I want to do it a rattle can restoration on this. I did find, this is awesome. I did find this, and this matches both the beige motorhome and the white dually somehow. When I get to that point, I will show you. It's pretty cool because I put it up against the motorhome and it's beige, and I go this way and put it up against the truck and it's white. And we haven't really figured out how that happens, but it does. So that's going to be it for today's video. I know it's short. I'm looking for subscribers. I'm looking for views. Hopefully you guys enjoy the content. And we'll get back on this at some point in the near future. And we'll get back on the Speedster project. And there's the handbrake. That we're going to go over that handbrake. I know there's only a couple pieces to it, but we're going to go over it anyway. We're going to do full restoration on that, just like every other part for the car that we're building is either going to be manufactured here or found and restored. So our budget is still at $0. We have absolutely no money for this project. The only income that we're going to accept is sales of car parts from the stash and YouTube income, which I do not have yet because we do not have enough views. So if you could help, it would be greatly appreciated. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. And hopefully we can get this thing monetized. My goal is to get the, what do you call it? The silver play button. You need 100,000 subscribers. And I'm going to need everybody to help me get there. So when we get to that point, we'll be spending money on the Speedster project. We'll be buying things from other people. We'll be giving things away and trying to promote the hobby. So yeah. I will get back to editing now and see what we can do about getting another video out. I think I have 2 in editing on this car. So hopefully they come out good. Hopefully you like them, and I will see you in the next one.